In this video, we are going to see that how to use a Milan Symphony app which has a brand new interface and a brand new look. Before configuring a Milan Symphony app, first you have to go to the My Milan app and you have to configure all your devices, products, everything as per the normal procedure. So this is my interface where I have a location called Iloka, and in this I have configured everything in a normal way. Okay. Now let's see. If you want to take this particular interface to a Milan Symphony app, what are the things you have to do? So for that, first of all, you have to go to the add-on, and inside the add-on you have to say add add-on, and you have to search for a add-on called Milan Space Grouping. That is called Milan Space Grouping. I'll search for grouping, and you can see this is the particular add-on which is Milan Space Grouping. You have to go inside this particular add-on and you have to say add. Okay. In your case, initially here at the down you will see everything as a blank. So in this particular page you have to say add. When you say add, you have to select the location, which location you want to have. I have selected Iloka, and then space name. You have to give a name for that particular space for which you are going to create the Symphony app. Okay, so home theater, I will give as a name as home theater. Now I will say next. After that, you will see an option called general configuration. You have to go inside this particular option. Now in this page, you have to select the rooms whichever you want to take on the Symphony interface. Okay, so if I want to take living room and reception, so I will select just 2 rooms. Okay, you can select whatever the rooms you want to take, or you can select all the rooms. Okay, so I will say save. Now you can see here we have reception and living room. These are the 2 interfaces which will be visible on the Symphony app. Okay, so generally what will happen, you may have various rooms or various areas in your house or theater or any particular site. So in that, only a particular room or particular area you want to show on the Symphony app, then you have to select only all those rooms only. Okay, then I will just go back and I will see there is another option below general configuration which is menu. So if I go inside the menus, now in that particular areas, which features you want to enable. I want to enable the lights, curtains, scenes, or I don't want to enable the appliances and door locks, so I can just leave those things. I want channels, music. So like that you have to select all the options whatever you want to enable in those areas, and then you have to say submit. You can see your option called updated successfully, then it's done. The next option is themes and infoway. You have to go inside this. You can select infoway first. So I have selected my infoway, and then select theme. There are various themes. You can just select any one of the theme as per your choice. So I'll just select a Symphony default theme. Now there is an option called select logo. You can give your company logo or organization logo or whatever the site is. For that I can just go inside that and choose a logo from my gallery. So this is the logo what I have selected. Now you can select a background also. For that also similar process, you have to select the particular file from your gallery, and then you can just say submit. In my case, I have not selected the background. Now there is a default background. Now that's all you have to do in this particular My Milan app, and then your settings are done. Now you have to download the Symphony app, and then you have to log in inside that with the same credentials whatever you are using in this particular app. So this is the Milan Symphony app in which you can just go inside, and then you can just sign in with the same credential what you do in the My Milan app. So I'll just go inside and sign in with the same credential. Okay, after putting the password and the username, you can just say sign in. Now here you can see the new interface of Milan Symphony with a brand new look. So before that you have to select the location. After selecting the location, you can say proceed, and then you have to select the area and say proceed again. Here in the home interface, all the AV online streaming, YouTube, Netflix and everything will be on the top, and then the local weather and the music player is on the right side. So, and here in the top left corner you can see there is a logo. That is the same logo which we have uploaded in the setting page of My Milan app. So after that, if you go to the lights, okay, these are the lights. For the on off you can see there is a different look, and for the dimmers there are the sliders, dimming sliders are available. The icons you can change. For different types of light you can have different icons. For RGBs you can have different theme, and you can just go and select the colors from this color ring. Then if you go to the curtain, these are the curtains of the living area. If you go to the scenes, you can see the scenes in the reception area and the scenes of the living room. So here also you cannot change or edit any scene. If you want to edit the scenes, you have to go to the My Milan app and edit it. Here it's just you can execute the scenes and you can have a different look for the entire scenario page. Okay, then the comfort means the air condition part, where you can have on and off, you can control the temperature, and all the other options whatever is available in the basic app. You go to the channels. Similar to the previous app, you will have all the channel logos, but the new look have a right side you can see a remote control, and all the channels and the categories are here, so you can select whatever category you want and then you can just operate the devices. Then music, this is the new look where you get all the thumbnails on the screen, and then you can have playlist. You can just browse from the attached devices whatever you want. So these are the options. Videos, here all the videos whatever you have uploaded in your NAS or wherever you have saved the videos you can see here. Then if you go to the remote, this is the new remote interface where you can see EC amplifier, then speakers, set-top box, television, and all those different interfaces are available here. So this is the thing. And then next, if you go to the setting page, there's a device sync. This device sync you have to do once only when you do any change in the main My Milan app. If you have edited something or if you have added some lights or anything in the main My Milan app, then here you have to go to the device sync and you have to just click this particular device sync once, so that the new change of the interface gets synced and you get the features in the Symphony app also. Okay, so whatever the change you have done in the My Milan app, that will be reflected in the Symphony app when you say device sync. Okay, theme sync is nothing but if you have changed the theme in the My Milan app, then the same theme can be displayed, or the change of theme can be done by using the theme sync. And switch rooms are nothing but it's like the changing of location in the My Milan app. If you want to change the location from your any one of the page, like from Iloca to other location, then you can just go and change the locations. For that, this is the option. And finally there is a logout. So these are the options you can see in the setting page. And if you see in the lights and curtains and other things, you can see a living room was only available here, whereas in the scenes you can see reception and living room, both the areas what I have selected. So here the reception is not available because the lights are only configured in living room. There is no lights in the reception area, so that's why you are not seeing the reception room here. Curtains also similarly there is nothing. But if you see in the comfort, the AC, here you can see both the areas because AC is configured in both. So whichever areas have whatever products, only those areas will be visible on the top, others will be hidden. So that's the beauty of this app. So this is the new interface what you see in the Symphony app. But instead of this particular theme, if your organization needs something else, the theme can be changed as per your organization's requirement, and for that you have to approach us and we can just change it as per your requirement. Thank you.